If you don't talk about what you're doing, and if you don't show off, and if you don't stand up for yourself, no one will. I'm Sonja Rasula, and I am a serial entrepreneur. I do many, many different things, but what I really do when it comes down to it is that I help other people and other small businesses embrace their creativity and help them become successful. Design is everything to me. I believe that my personal aesthetic and style have always helped separate me from competition or from what other people were doing. The first tool that really helped me was learning how to create my own graphic design and create my own website. I was just teaching myself, just spending time in the programs themselves and just playing around and messing up and trying again. That's what really now, a decade later, has made me a great designer. Learning design and actually how to design is so important in this day and age. Everything is visual. Instagram, Pinterest. The thing that really helps is having something that actually looks professional. No one else on this earth has what you have, and you need to figure out ways to showcase who you are and what you do. And if you put yourself into things and your perspective, I believe that you will be very successful. You have to be your biggest cheerleader and convince people to take a chance on you. The future is yours. Make it.